guys, nandito kami sa Oyang-Uring, Chinatown ng Davao City. Namimili na kami ng bike para kay baby. So ito na yung napili namin guys. So ayan na yung bike ni baby guys. Final decision. Pero itry natin tawarin mamaya, baka makaya pa. Hindi na talaga pwedeng tawaran guys. Last price na talaga siya. Fixed price. Wala na kaming magawa. Ito na talaga.
Ngayon ko nang alikan siya kuya. Saya nang alikan siya. Magibukan. Buak.
Pagpila ni?
Wow! 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 Yan, excited nang umupo. Ayan. Sige! Upo na! Oh! Excited masyado ba? Yan. Yan guys. So, yan, nakaupo na siya. Sige, try mo, i-try mo. Sige, sige lang, okay lang yan. Sige, baby. Atras. Oh. Kabalo na siya, papa. I-back mo muna, papa. Sige, pedal mo. Sige, go. Yan. Wow! Go, 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 pedal. Go, 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 go. Yan, sige, go. Very good. Go, go, go. Oh, okay, go. Go, go. Sige, push. Ulit, ulit. Sige pa, taas pa, taas pa. No, no shout, no, no shout. No, no shout. Pedal, pedal. Yan, ganyan, pedal. Yan, very, very good. Sige, practice. Sige pa, ganyan. Go. Pedal, pedal. Yan, very good. Pedal. Yan, sige, pedal. Yan, ganyan, pedal. Okay. Okay, pedal, pedal, ate, pedal, pedal, ate, pedal. Yan, ganyan, ganyan. No, no shout. Sige, go. Go, go, go. Very good.